when things go wrong, I have a confidence that God is working in it with me. He's right there beside me. He's pulling for me. He's cheering me on, and He's in my corner. And whatever the wrong thing is, whatever the circumstance is that's bringing me heartache, He's going to win. He's going to take whatever it is, and He's going to win. He's going to win for me and in me. And that changes the whole dynamic from the fear and the panic of how this is going to impact my life now. Because there's this confidence in Him that we're in me and Him, that we're in it together.